Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create multiple country feed by using Shopify Market. Previously, there was no solution to create multiple feeds by using Shopify Market. So we have introduced this feature in our app, that is Easy Feed for Google Shopping. Let's move to the app. So here I am on my app. Here is the feed I have created previously. Here is the merchant center ID and target country is Germany, and language is Dutch, and currency is Euro. And now let's move to our merchant center. Here you can see it shows 276 products that are in free listings, and let me open any product. As you know, it is a German store, so it will show the description in German language. If it gets successful, suppose any store is making great progress, the store owner would definitely like to jump on different countries. Like if he is from Europe, he would like to move to America. If similarly, if he belongs to America, he would like to prefer Europe. So while staying at one store, he wants to perform different tasks. For this, we have make a multi-language store. For this, Shopify has introduce Shopify Market, but currently there is no solution to make multi-feed. But in our app we have introduced this feature. So for this, first of all you have to set up your subdomain. As I have already set up my subdomain, then you have to set up your language and currency converter. You can use any app. I am going with the Lang Shop. Then you have to configure Shopify Market. So in the last you have to create multiple feed. First of all, I have to move to the settings. Make sure you have created the subdomain. I have already created here. So now I will set the Shopify Market. Click on Canada Market. Here you can see the language is English and currency is Canadian dollar. So domain is already attached, and if we look on the Australian market, it will show the German language, and all we have to do is to create subfolder and uncheck this and click on the save button. Make sure if you are using subfolder you can use it, but if you use your domain, that is far better. So now it has shown the Australian dollar and it shows the Canadian dollar. Let's check it out if it is translating the data or not. Let's check it in our online store. Let me open my store. So here I have to open any product. So here you go. Here we can see the add to cart button has been translated, and if we move to our online store directly, it will not be translated. It will be in German language. So you can see it is in German language. Let me tell you one thing, that there is no such strategy like if we reload the page, the language will get translated. Google don't like such scenarios. It wants the products to be already refreshed, and good marketers are well aware of all the practices and policies of the Google. Now here arose a question that how is it so? How has the language been added here? So for language and currency we have to use any particular app. I am using Lang Shop over here. So let me open it. It will take some time. Comparatively our app is quite fast. So we have to wait. So here you want to translate, you simply have to click on the auto translation and select all. My language is already English and you can adjust the language accordingly. Let me move to the translations and check the products. Here you can see our products have been translated from German to English. Let me open any product to see its description. So here you can see it is in English language. You can also do this process manually. So here the language is published. We will see in the settings which language is published. Click on the languages. You see it shows all the languages you have translated and published so far. Here it shows two languages. Our default language is German and the translated language is English. So you can use these languages in the Shopify market. As you can see, here is the language is English and the currency is Canadian dollar. The biggest advantage of these markets is that like previously, all the brands have to set up different stores. Shopify Market has provided this benefit that you can attach multiple domains in single store. Suppose there is a big naming brand and it has multiple operations worldwide. Obviously, each country has its own language, so now they will have to manage a single store, and you can also apply all the payments, different tax duties, different shippings, different import duty accordingly by using the Shopify market. This feature is so amazing for global scaling and for the cross-border scaling. When a person drives into his language, he will definitely unable to examine that the website is translated or redirected. And those clients who are running big stores, they will use different markets with concerning countries. Same is the case with Google Ads. So we have settled the data on Shopify market. Now let's create a multi-feed. Here we have to select a Shopify market, country Canada, language English, and currency will be Canadian dollar. So this is how you can set up multiple countries by using Shopify market. Click on continue. Here you have to write a name for your feed. I will go with the global format, and you have to select the age group, gender and product condition. Click on finish. Sync now. So this is how you can set up multiple countries by using Shopify market, and you can run the same store in multiple countries by using domain and subdomains. After this, you can apply different payment methods, currency and language for different countries accordingly. So our feed has been created. Now let's move to the merchant center and wait for a while. So we are back. Here you can see the country is updated, language is English, and it has total 280 products. As I have deleted some products that were not compatible with the policy. So multiple country set is must if you are going to set a scaling, or your brand is going to have a long lasting future. Once you have made a successful progress in one country, then definitely you will go for the other countries as well. So keep in mind all that we have created this feature in our app. I hope you have got the idea about the multi-feed for Google Shopping. Lecture has been extended, but this topic is quite important. Still there are points that are needed to be discussed. So now you must have the idea of Shopify market, how to configure it, how to use the currency converter. After that, you have to move to our app Easy Feed for Google Shopping for creating feeds for multiple countries, as we run ads on Facebook for multiple countries. Same is the case here. We will create feeds for multiple countries, and when the feed will be in their native language, it will increase the chances of conversions. So indeed, multiple country feed in Google Shopping empowers e-commerce business so efficiently. It expands their market reach and effectively offer their products to a global audience. This approach ensures the customers from various regions enjoy a tailored and user-friendly shopping experience, contributing to the success and growth of the business on an international scale. So I hope you will enjoy the experience. To share your feedback and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.